Hey pasta lovers, listen up. Here are the ingredients you'll need for pasta alla Carlofortina. 200 g of pasta, 150 g of fresh tuna, 200 g of cherry tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of basil pesto, olive oil, salt and pepper. Do you have a thing for pasta? Then this recipe is for you. Today we're taking you to Sardinia with a dish that's as simple as it is delicious. Pasta alla Carlofortina. Imagine the rich taste of fresh tuna, the sweetness of cherry tomatoes, and the aroma of basil pesto, all combined in one dish. There you have it, pasta alla Carlofortina, a culinary masterpiece ready in just 10 minutes. First things first, cook the pasta until it's firm to the bite. In the meantime, lightly cook the fresh tuna in olive oil, then add the cherry tomatoes and a generous spoonful of basil pesto. Mix it all together with the pasta and there you go. You've just created a dish that will transport you straight to the Sardinian coast. Whether you want to impress your guests or just treat yourself, pasta alla Carlofortina is the perfect way to bring the taste of the Mediterranean to your table. Simple ingredients, big flavors, and so much taste. Try it today and turn your next meal into a Sardinian feast.